Hello students. Today we solve examples from Mathematics Part 2 Practice Set 1.1. We already solved question number 1 and 2. Now we solve question number 3. In figure, PS is perpendicular to segment RQ and QT is perpendicular to PR. This is given part. RQ is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6, PR is equal to 12. Find QT. To find QT, here which triangle is given? Triangle PQR. This triangle is given. From this triangle, RQ is given and PS is given. Means RQ is the base and PS is height. First we find area of triangle PQR. Taken as a QR as a base and PS is height. Now write down in triangle PQR, PS perpendicular to RQ. Area of triangle PQR is equal to half into RQ into PS. Now substitute the values. 1 upon 2 into 6 into 6. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. Therefore answer is 3 into 6, 18. Here now we know the area of triangle PQR. Now we take PR as a base and QT is height. Write down. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 into PR into QT. Therefore 18 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 12 into QT. Simplify. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. Therefore 18 is equal to 6 QT or 6 into QT. Therefore 18 upon 6. When this 6 from right to left, here is multiplication. Therefore here 6 come in the denominator means division is equal to QT. 6 1 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18. Therefore QT is equal to 3. This is the answer. In figure, AP is perpendicular to BC and BC and AD are parallel to each other. AD parallel to BC. Then find the ratio. Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. In triangle ABC and BCD, BC is common base. When we draw the triangles between two parallel lines, one line is a base and another has a, on another line there is a vertex, one of the vertex of the triangle. Then triangles are having common height. Here AP is perpendicular to BC and this perpendicular height is height of all triangles lies between these two parallel lines. ह्या दोन पॅरलल लाईन मध्ये कोणतेही त्रिकोण काढले, ट्रायंगल्स काढले तर त्यांची हाईट काय असणार आहे? सारखीच असणार आहे. Therefore, AP is common height. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD is equal to BC into AP upon BC into AP. Therefore, numerator and denominators are equal. Therefore, answer is 1. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 is to 1. 5. In figure, PQ perpendicular to BC and AD perpendicular to BC. Then find the following ratios. These are the 4 ratios. First, in triangle PQB and PBC, find out the area of triangle PQB is to area of triangle PBC. Here PQ is, in both the triangle, PQ is common height. Write down PQ is common height. Therefore, their areas proportionate to their base, or reason is triangles having equal heights. Therefore, area of triangle PQB to area of triangle PBC is equal to QB upon BC. Reason, triangles having equal height. In second triangle, triangle PBC and triangle ABC. BC is common base. Then write down the statement. In triangle PBC and ABC, BC is common base. Therefore, area of triangle PBC is to area of triangle ABC is equal to, their corresponding heights are PQ and AD. Therefore, answer is PQ upon AD. Reason, triangles having equal bases. Third, in triangle ABC and triangle ADC, AD height is common in both the triangles. In triangle ABC and ADC, AD is common height. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle ADC is equal to, their base is BC upon DC. Reason, triangles having equal heights. Next, area of triangle ADC is to area of triangle PQC. Here, base and heights are different in both the triangles. There is nothing common. Therefore, we write corresponding base, product of their corresponding base into height. In ADC, triangle ADC, DC is base and AD is height. In triangle PQC, QC is the base and PQ is height. Therefore, area of triangle ADC is to area of triangle PQC is equal to DC into AD upon QC into PQ. Ratio of areas of two triangles. Students, you all write down these examples in your notebook. Thank you.